Alrighty, welcome to another unboxing. Today we have the Rybozen Capture Card. This capture card will be able to capture in 4K 30 FPS or 1080p 60 FPS. And it has USB 3.0 and HDMI connections. We're not going to actually test out the product today, but just unbox it to see what we have inside. And then we'll have another video to kind of showcase how it captures certain gameplay videos. So it comes in a pretty generic looking box. You can kind of see the features in the back. It comes in a white box with a shrink wrapped. So we will open up see how it goes. So here we go. All right, they got a happy not happy card, a feedback card, and here we have the capture card. It is well packaged in foam. It has this bag over it that you're gonna have to, it's not easy. Yeah, you'll rip it when you open it. Actually, it's kind of shiny. So from the ports, you have your HDMI output and an input on the one side. USB 3.0, looks like a mic and headphones connections in this as well. So, interesting. All right. Also within the box, set this aside. We have some cables. Let's take a look. Looks like a USB 3.0 cable in blue. And I'm gonna assume that this is an HDMI cable that they provided. So they give you a 3.0 USB adapter to USB-C. This is the HDMI cable. And then we have some instructions. And a quick start guide. So you'll see the HDMI in and out, stereo out, mic in, and then the capture to your computer. So, and it looks like they suggest you use OBS to capture. We'll see about setting it up maybe in another video, but this seems pretty straightforward. And then the instruction booklet here has some more in-depth information. All right, I think this is pretty simple. And this outer case made out of plastic, but overall we'll test it and see how it does. But thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and when we actually test out this video capture card and see how it performs. Alrighty, have a good one.